Imagine for a moment that today I share one thing with you that can help you to strengthen your relationships. There is one thing common between you and me, that we both have the different opinion on the same topic. If I ask you the one question, that who hurts you, then you will have the different opinion or different perspective as per your experience in the relationships, whether your relationship with the teacher, as a teacher, with your parents, with your child, or your partner. So I would like to share my perspective, and then I would be happy to have yours also. So my perspective on this, that who hurts you. So the very direct answer to this is, the person who hurts me is me. Because when you say that another person cheated you, lied to you, betrayed you, then you create the hurt in your mind, not because that person in reality hurted or lied to you. When I say that I created the hurt, now I have the power to heal or to fix that hurt. So when we say that that person hurts me, and in the evening the person comes home, but the person doesn't even know that your mood is off today. And when he asks you that why your mood is off, or you are in a bad mood today, so at that time, oh, now you also don't know that why my mood is bad. So that is not the good, because in that situation we wait until that person says sorry to us. But who created the hurt? I. So who can heal or fix that hurt? I. So we are the people that I created hurt in my mind, but I'm supposing that the next person that is sitting beside me need to say sorry to me. So you need to release people and release them, to let them go, because in your mind you have many thoughts created for the peoples who have not even, who doesn't even know that what you are talking, and how their little habits influenced you. So happiness is not only depend on the how. Happiness, peace only depends on that how I talk and think about myself. It doesn't dependable on the anything outside. So my advice to you, that don't expect or don't have expectation from others. Accept people. I'm not saying to understand. There is a huge difference between expect or understand. So don't understand, just accept the people how they are, because they have a past with them for almost many years before they came in the contact with you, and you have relationship with them. So I would like to encourage you to accept people in your life. Don't expect from them to be like as you want to see them, or you want to chase them. So that's all from my side for today. I would like to have your perspective also, that who hurts you. It's you or the any other thing or person in the outside world. So this is Anchal Singh signing out until we meet in the next video.